Hi everyone, it's Star News. Today we have some exciting news to share with you all. The lovebird Zhao Lusi and Wulei have finally confirmed their relationship. Fans have been speculated about their relationship for a while now, but the two have kept quiet about it until now. The couples has been spotted together on multiple occasions and they even shared some sweet moment on social media. Zhao and Wulei first meet on set of their drama Love Like the Galaxy, where they play the lead role. Since they have become good friends, and their friendship has bloomed into a beautiful romance. Fans are thrilled about their relationship and have been showering them with the love and support. The couple has always been very open about their feelings for each other, and they are not afraid to show their affection in public. We wish Zhao Lusi and Wulei all the happiness in the world, and they embark on the new journey together. We can't wait to see what's the future hold for these two lovebirds. That's all for the now. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel Star News. Thanks for watching.